go.
The child's name is Don Byron Hall. He is a 2-year-old Native American male with black hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be 1 inch tall and 40 pounds.
Oh,
He
great.
was last seen wearing a blue striped shirt, and white shoes. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Ryan Thomas Hall. He is a 34-year-old white
Well,
male with
WX762 just dropped out.
He is believed to be 5 foot 7 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds. He was last seen wearing an ill-fitting black suit, 2 inches too short, with prescription sunglasses or contacts. They may be traveling in a 2000 black Lexus GS4 vehicle with license plate number ARJ7450. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact 360-428-3227 immediately. Snow level near 8,000 feet.
And that's it. That came all of a sudden. Thanks for the warning. To, yeah, some EAS enthusiasts. And I got a notification, so, yeah. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching this upload. You can find a link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that, you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.